Hi everyone, this is your weekly agenda or weekly plan video. Each Friday I'll send out a video that explains all of the lessons, activities, and assignments for the following week so that you can be really clear about what's coming and what's going to be expected of you and what's going to be due for you. So the one place that I want you to see, first of all, we are on our English class homepage. If we scroll down on this home page, you can actually see the PowerPoint or the image here that walks you through each day and what's going to be expected of you, and also then what's due. Okay, so what you're going to need to turn in or what you're going to need to complete for an assessment as well. So if you look at Monday, we're going to be taking something called the STAR 360 test. I'll talk a little bit more about this in our Class Connect session that we have on Monday, but you will be taking this test and then you're going to come back to the online lesson here on D2L. This is D2L, and check off that you've completed the STAR 360 test. And this is going to be for all students, new and returning students. Tuesday, we're going to have a close reading lesson. You'll first attend the CC session with me on close reading at your scheduled time. Then you're going to go and you're going to complete the online lesson where you're going to practice everything we learned together in that class session. And yes, you're going to have something to turn in, and that is your close reading article or story that you were given to close read. And all of the directions are on the plan tab, which I'll show you in just a minute. Then on Thursday, we're going to do a nonfiction lesson. This is going to be to how to read and annotate nonfiction and also how to write a nonfiction summary. So you're going to complete the online lesson. There's a video lesson for you to watch and learn some of the material, and then you're going to go practice those skills with a nonfiction article, and then you'll turn that into the Dropbox. On Thursday, we're going to have a citing evidence lesson where we're going to learn or review, for some of you, how to cite evidence correctly. We use this all the time, and it'll be especially so in our next unit, how to in-text citations. So that's going to be when you take a quote from the author, what do you put afterwards to show that that's the author's words. So there's a very important video lesson that you're going to watch. You're going to take notes on that video, and that notes document is on the D2L, and I'll show you right within the lesson. And then you're going to actually turn that notes document in. I want to see your notes document that you've taken. And your assessment is going to be to complete these practice pages by downloading the document from D2L here, completing the practice assignments, and then uploading your document to the Dropbox. Then on Friday, for those of you that are returning students, we're going to go back to Nonfiction Friday. If you're new students, every Friday we do a Nonfiction Friday assignment, and you're going to complete a close read of the nonfiction article that's attached in the lesson, and then you're going to turn that into the document to show your close reading notes. And then finally, you'll take a nonfiction quiz or a quiz on that nonfiction piece of text, and we'll do that probably every Friday. Okay, so where do you find these things in the lesson? So up here at the plan tab, this is where you go to figure out, hey, what's going on each and every day. And on here, I have it selected to just be English 8. You can select all of your courses. You can see the day view, things like that. But we're going to start with, here, I'm going to go back to the calendar. There we go. So on Monday, you can see you have your STAR 360 lesson, and then you have your assignment. You know that this is an assignment because it has a due date of 11:30 on it. So that's going to tell you that this is the assignment, and this does not have a due date, so that's going to tell you that that's the lesson itself. That's where you're going to find all the materials you need to be successful. So if you click on it, the next thing you'll do is click More to take you to the lesson. And so you're going to watch this video introduction to learn how to take the STAR 360 test. Here are the instructions for you to take it. And then you're going to have this item here that you need to complete. And this is just a checklist. So once you've done the test, you're going to click here, once it lets you to, and then you'll be able to actually check off the assignment. It doesn't show that for me because I'm in Teacher View, but you'll have a place where you can click the checkbox. So if we go back to the Plan tab, and look at the close reading lesson. So if we go here, this is going to give us a more detailed lesson. That first one is just kind of the test. Okay, and you're going to get a lesson on how to close read and adding comments to the Word document for your close reading. One of these stories will be assigned to you, and then you'll have your close reading assessment. And this is just a Dropbox for you to be able to upload your documents. Okay. Again, I'm on teacher view, so it's not showing you it's going to actually say upload. So just remember to save your document to your computer in a place that you can find it. Click the upload button to upload the document into your computer, and then you'll be able to have shared your assignment with me. Okay. You do need to make sure that you're using Microsoft Office tools. That's Word, PowerPoint. They are the only files that I can open. If you create something on your Mac computer and you don't save it as a Word document, I can't open it. I can't see your documents. So do make sure you're using Microsoft Tools. You have a free download of that available to you. You can put it on your home computer. Just let me know if you need help with that. I can give you a link to how to figure that out. Okay. So that's going to be the plan for the week. Each day, you come in, you're going to click on the plan tab to learn what's being assigned of you, what's due, and you're going to go through the steps to complete the lesson. For those of you that are returning students, I know this is a lot of information you already knew, but we have a lot of new students, so I just want to make sure that everybody is aware of how this week is going to play out. If you have any questions as you get started, you're not sure how to find something, you're not sure how to turn something in, or what you need to be doing in an individual day, reach out to me via email. I am always here and happy to help. Thanks. Take care.